Okay, in this lesson we're going to answer the question, how do I identify the median in a set of numerical data? So this time we're going to talk about the median. Well, what is the median? The median is a single number that summarizes the center of a set of numerical data. The median is the middle number or the mean of the two middle numbers when the data are arranged from least to greatest, or you could even do greatest to least, as long as they're in order. So let's take a look at number 1. The numbers at the right are ordered from least to greatest. Find the median. Well, I have to figure out which number is in the center. What I like to do is I like to cross off numbers on the left and the right side, and I keep going until I figure out what number is left in the middle. So let's see, 10, 46, so left, right, and it looks like the number in the middle, the center number, is 22. The median here is 22. Pretty easy, right? Number 2, the dot plot at the right displays 10 data values. Find the median of the data. So let's see, we have 45, we have 46, we have 3 47s, we have a 48, 2 49s, and 2 50s. So there's all the numbers that I see in my dot plot. And again, I'm going to cross them off and I'm going to go back and forth until I get one number remaining. So left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Oh, wait a minute. This time I have 2 numbers in the middle. Well, what do I do if I have 2 numbers in the middle? You have to think about what your center number would be. What number would be in the middle of 47 and 48? You may easily be able to pick that up. The number between 47 and 48 is going to be 47.5, 47 and a half. So again, you may have been able to recognize that right away. If you aren't able to recognize what number is in the center or in the middle of 2 numbers, what you want to do is you want to find the mean, which we said was right here, the mean of the 2 middle numbers. Basically, you add and divide just like you did before. So if I take 47 and I add 48, that'll give me 95. And then if I take that 95 and divide it by the 2 numbers that I have, I'm going to end up with that 47.5, that 47 and a half. So the median is 47 and a half. The reason we had 2 numbers in the middle here was because we had an even set of numbers. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers in our data set. Set it right there. When you have an even set of numbers, you're going to end up with 2 in the middle. And so you're going to have to find the mean of those 2 middle numbers. But when you have an odd set of numbers like this one where we only had 5, you're going to have just 1 number in the middle. It's going to be a little bit easier. Okay, so number 4. Using words, describe the median of a numerical set of data when there are an odd number of values in the set. So let's see. The median is the middle number when the numbers are in order. Okay? Now, describe the median of a numerical set of data when there are an even set of numbers or even number of values in the set. So let's see. The median is the mean of the 2 middle numbers when the data is in order. Okay? Last thing we're going to do is one of the puzzled penguins. You'll do one on your own, but this is one that we're going to do together. Dear math students, I wrote the 2 sets of numbers shown at the right to help a friend understand how to find the median of a set of numbers. I explained that the median of the top set of numbers was 142 because 142 was the number in the middle. Then I explained that the bottom set of numbers had no median because there was no number in the middle. Did I provide my friend with correct advice? Your friend, Puzzled Penguin. Well, let's start with the top set. Here's our top set of numbers. We have 205, 142, 110. First, we have to make sure that those numbers are in order. Are they in order? Yes, they are. In this case, they're in order from greatest to least. So if I work my way into the middle, Puzzled Penguin, guess what? He got that one right. 142 is the median of the top set. Now let's look at the bottom set. The bottom set is an even number of numbers. We have 56 and 40. Well, yes, we can figure out the median of those. He says that we can't because there's no number in the middle. But remember, when you have an even set of numbers, the median is the mean of those two numbers. So let's see. Puzzled Penguin. 142 is the median of the top set. The bottom set of numbers can have a median by finding the mean of 56 and 40. So now let's figure out what the mean would be. First, I'm going to do 56 plus 40, which is going to give me 96. And then I'm going to divide by 2 because I have two numbers, and that's going to leave me with 48. That means 48 is the median. 48 is the number in between 56 and 40. Okay, so now the takeaways. We have the definition for the median, and take a look at the examples. The examples show what it looks like when you have an odd and an even set of numbers. And to identify the median, remember you must have your numbers in order. That's so very important. That's the first step. Make sure they're in order, either least to greatest, greatest to least, doesn't matter. And then figure out what the number or numbers are in the middle. If there are two numbers in the middle, you're going to find the mean of those two numbers.